The best preventive measure for clients to perform brushing only if it helps. If it's every day, you have to do something that the owner will do. We know that we can talk and talk and talk about brushing, and almost no clients are going to brush. If they get in that habit, they will. But it's the research from a behavioral psychology standpoint now say 66 days minimum it takes to form a habit. So if those clients can maintain that for that period of time and get in the habit, and they have a pet that will accommodate it, great. That's less than 1%. So we don't waste our time talking about that. We want something that they can actually do that's effective, and the answer to that is a water additive. We talked about Karen from Healthy Mouth water additive. That water additive is approved by the Veterinary Oral Health Council, which is at vohc.org. And that is a group of researchers that have gone in and they've looked at those products and they've documented that they actually do what they say they do. So Healthy Mouth is the compound in there that is really easy to do. It comes in a concentrate. You add it to a gallon of water. Once it's reconstituted, it stays good for 2 months. I know Dr. Fraser Hale up in Canada is a big proponent of this as well. And most of my colleagues use it. Most of my dental specialist colleagues use it as well. And it allows us to prescribe something for them that they will actually do. So in dogs and cats, the plaque reduction is tremendous. It's more so than anything else on the VOHC site, more than any other product. So that is our go-to. The other thing that we use is Oravet Chews. Now, Oravet used to be just a topical application, which again, it's very difficult because the owners have to remember and get in the habit of doing it once a week for life. It's a wax that they put on the tooth at home, but now what they've done is they've incorporated that into a chew. So when the pet chews the chew, that wax is distributed around the tooth surface and consequently coats it, and wax decreases the surface energy of enamel. So the plaque biofilm it's a lot harder for that to adhere to the wax than it would be to the naked enamel. So that's why it's effective. So those two things, Healthy Mouth water additive and Oravet Chews by Marielle, are the two things that we go to.